Hello everybody, I'm Mandy B and welcome to my channel. You remember that, I think it's a commercial or a television program or a song. No, it's a song, I think. Do you know what time it is? Well, it is January 2023 and it is the 18th of January 2023. And I am continuing to participate with the Jewelry Making Fun Collab, and this collab is hosted by Dahlia Design Jewelry and More, aka Miss Deb Hawk. And as you can see from our information, the 18th of each month we are to follow a theme, the color, and we have some options and everything here, and we post our video. And this, y'all, this is fun. This is a very, I love it. It makes me look forward to each month. It gives me something to do and to look forward to. So, yeah, I like this collab. So that's why I'm in it again. This is my second year. And y'all, I was faithful last year. I did 12. That's a whole year. Hopefully, prayerfully, I can do it again this year. But, you know, it started off kind of slow. I lost my sister in January. Well, just last week. And I wasn't going to do this. I was just going to not participate. But I remember my sister used to say all the time, back to normal. And that just stuck with me. So I'm back to normal. Well, I'm trying to get back to normal. And I'm not sad. And I'm not saying all this for any sympathy either, because I know life has an exploration. And it's the way you live your life is what counts. So my sister lived a good life. And she will be missed. But my God, she gave us some wonderful, wonderful memories. Yeah. So enough of the sadness, right? So I didn't do anything major. But let me show you the things that I did. But before I do that, let's just move on. As I did last year, I like to check off my months because it's like an accomplishment. And we have colors. We can do pink, we can do red and white, or we can make a charm bracelet, which is challenge number 1. And challenge number 2 is a Valentine theme. We can use the heart charms, lamp work, glass hearts. We can make a wire or beaded heart bracelet or necklace or earrings, whatever you want to do in that little section. So I kind of flip-flop in between some of them, but yeah, let me show you the items that I did make. I guarantee you this is going to be short and sweet. Okay, what you're looking at, these are the 2 items that I made for this month, and today is the 17th of January, and normally I would have my pieces made and they would be sitting in YouTube queue. But I decided, get out of your funk and go back to normalcy. So that's what I did. So now I made these earrings. I used a red, but I have some hearts, but I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. So I made this pattern right here. And these are some little squished up beads that I bought from, I think I bought it from Joanne. But this right here, I made this little piece here out of some wire that I had. Let me show you what I got here. Okay, this is the wire that I used to make this. I call this my little tuning fork. To me, it looked like a tuning fork. But I think this is some aluminum wire because it is very, very soft. But I tried to work hard in it a little bit, you know, squeezing it, hitting it here and there till I got it to the stiffness that I wanted. So I made this pair of earrings, and I had a copper, and this is copper. I had a copper bead cap that I put on here, and I made my own ear wire because I just didn't want to use that other piece. This ear wire always hang quite well. And like I said, and I used a ball head pin. I put a little hole through this. I bit the wire and I put a hole through there and ran that ball head pin. Let's see if you can see that. It's a ball head pin that I use for this set. Now that is the pair of earrings that I made. Now the bracelet, I thought about just connecting it and just making a whole a bracelet with this whole pattern right here. but I just didn't like that. So I decided I use a link of chain, and I use a large lobster clasp, and I use some closed jump ring. I always like to use closed jump ring when I'm connecting a lobster clasp or something, so it won't come apart. This is not going to come apart. So those are the two pieces that I made for this month, and hopefully, prayerfully, I will see you next month, and you guys take care. And don't forget to check out all the other participants in the group. Some great talented folks, and I have their YouTube channel linked in our description box here. So that is it for Annie signing off. So you all take care. But can you believe it? It is January 18th. Don't blink your eyes. If you do, it'll be March. Okay, everybody, take care. I'll see you next month. Bye-bye.